Namaste to all dear warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to ratio analysis, and we are going to discuss one of the important questions which might be asked in the exam. So given that current ratio equals to 1.75, liquid ratio, that is quick ratio, you can say quick ratio also 1.25, net working capital given is rupees 1,50,000. You are required to calculate current assets, current liabilities, quick assets, stock or inventories. So this is what we are going to do now. See, current ratio given 1.75, that will be current assets, CA I am denoting, divided by current liabilities is the formula for current ratio, that is CL. CL means current liability, CA means current assets. Okay, 1.75, if nothing is there, you can take in denominator 1. I am doing cross multiplication, so which means one current asset into one current liability into 1.75. So one current asset is equals to 1.75 current liability. Next, working note 2 or data given 2, quick ratio, that is quick assets divided by current liabilities, QA I am denoting for quick assets and current liability CL as we did earlier. And again you do cross multiplication, and 1.25 from where we got current quick ratio or liquid ratio 1.25. okay, so which means one quick asset equals to 1.25 current liability. Okay, which means we need to consider like this. Okay, one quick asset is equals to 1.25 current liability, and net working capital given is current assets minus current liabilities is the formula for net working capital, and that is rupees 1,50,000 given. One by one we will calculate. Directly we cannot calculate current assets because current asset equals to 1.75 current liability and quick assets is equals to 1.25 current liability. If you know current liability, with that if you multiply 1.75 you will get current asset, and to get quick assets we need to get 1.25 of current liability. So key thing is we need to calculate first current liability. So calculation of current liability, first B bit I am doing. In the exam you to do the same thing with working capital. With working capital we are doing net working capital is equals to current assets minus current liabilities, that is 1,50,000 equals to current assets minus current liabilities, and in place of current asset I can write this 1.75 current liability, since current asset equals to 1.75 current liability. When both are same things you can easily eliminate and you can get the answer. So 1,50,000 equals to 0.75 current liability. If you take this current liability other side, okay, here it is 0.75 multiplying, if you take to the other side it will divide. So 1,50,000 divided by 0.75, therefore current liability CL is equals to rupees 2 lakhs. अब ये आ गया आपका current liability. Now we can easily find out current assets. Okay, now we can easily find out current assets. Current assets given in this case is CA current assets is equals to 1.75 current liability. Since current liability just now we got 2 lakhs, 1.75 into 2 lakhs, therefore your current assets will be CA equals to rupees 3,50,000. You can calculate with calculator. Next, quick assets we are having are liquid assets we need to find out. Okay, quick assets is equals to QA equals to 1.25 current liability. Now I am doing for you. We don't know quick assets, so we know current liability, that is 1.25 into rupees 2 lakhs. Since we got current liability equals to rupees 2 lakhs, तो ये आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So 1.25 into 2 lakhs it will become therefore quick assets equals to rupees 2,50,000. How much? 2,50,000. Next is asking us to calculate stock or closing stock or inventory. सी में से सी क्विक असेट्स का फॉर्मूला क्या है? व्हाट इज क्विक असेट्स? करंट असेट्स माइनस स्टॉक प्लस प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस. तो స్టాక్ జहाँ पे है वो ఫార్ములా యూస్ करना. మనకు స్టాక్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో ఆ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలి. కన్సిడర్ వీ డోంట్ నో స్టాక్, సో స్టాక్ విల్ బీ రిమైన్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. అండ్ ప్రీపెయిడ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గివెన్ ఎనీవేర్, you can consider them as 0. Now formula will be quick assets equals to current assets minus stock, since prepaid expenses 0. We are assuming it. Now stock is equals to current assets minus quick assets. What is your current assets? Current assets we got 3,50,000. Okay, so we will write here rupees 3,50,000 for current assets minus quick assets. Just now we got rupees 2,50,000, so I am writing here 2,50,000. okay, if I remove my hand it will be visible properly. I think थोड़ा वीडियो ब्लर हो रहा शायद ही. okay, no problem, you can understand the things. Therefore stock equals to 3,50,000 minus 2,50,000 rupees 1 lakh. So simply current assets we got 3,50,000. A bit, B bit current liability you got rupees 2 lakhs. You can write it at the end. C quick assets we got rupees 2,50,000. and lastly D stock equals to rupees 1 lakh. okay, these are your answers. oh my god, these are your answers. ये सब चीज़ें नहीं दिखे आपको. okay, so current assets, current liabilities, quick assets and stock. please remember these formulas, these will be useful and I don't want to waste any more time of you. तो वीडियो यहाँ पे ख़त्म कर रहा हूँ. सीखते रहो क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. and like, share, subscribe the video. it will be useful for you and your friends. share it with your friends. Jai Hind.